Hi there. Finding the 5 best medicine ball reviews worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is JFIT Wall Medicine Ball. For its intended purpose, which is wall exercises and one-on-wall training, the J/FIT Soft Medicine Wall Ball is one of the best medicine balls that money can buy. Its well-executed design, soft rubber shell, and even weight distribution make it an optimal choice for aerobic endurance training, throwing exercises, and wall training. It has 10 weight options, starting from 4 pounds up to 30 pounds, all with a diameter of 14, except for the 4-pound ball that has a diameter of 9. The J/FIT Laser Cut Fitness Soft Wall Ball is perfectly weighted and sized for individual or group workouts. Its tough leather exterior allows you to toss, roll, and throw it as needed without risk of tearing. It's also pliable enough to absorb and evenly redistribute impact energy so that it doesn't significantly bounce or ricochet. While not ideal for floor slams, its sturdy rubber construction does make it very versatile, and it's definitely durable enough to withstand a number of mid-intensity workouts. You may also want to work out using the best door anchor. Number 2. Our second best pick is SPRI Xerball Medicine Ball. Compact and covered in textured, non-slip heavy rubber, the SPRI Xerball Medicine Ball handles like a dream. All 11 weight variations are color-coded and come in the same 10 diameter. This is ideal for beginners, as it can help them transition to different weight levels without having to readjust their grip to accommodate the new size. The ball's bounce is definitely one of the best we tested, and it can be attributed to its premium rubber casing and solid, even weight distribution. Slamming it on the floor will result in it bouncing back as high as chest level, making it easy to build a rhythm for repeated exercise circuits. For a strong, durable med ball, Zerbal medicine balls are a fantastic choice. Pair low impact workouts with SPRI 11 with the best thermogenic supplements if you're looking for an easy way to lose weight at home. Another popular model from SPRI is the SPRI Dual Grip Zerbal. As the name suggests, the SPRI Dual Grip offers dual grips that allow for both one-handed and two-handed exercise routines. Number 3. Our third best pick is DYNAPRO Medicine Ball. We love the look and quality of these DYNAPRO rubber balls that have a really attractive and colorful design. They have been specially constructed to be highly durable and to withstand repeated and extensive slamming. They also very conveniently feature textured grip panels that mean you can comfortably train hard. There's no need to worry about the ball slipping from your hands. These DYNAPRO medicine balls are great when used for all kinds of training programs, whether solo, couples, or in a class environment. If you are tired of the same old workout and really fancy switching it up a gear, then it's time to check out medicine ball training and be ready to see fast, fat-burning results, increased endurance and stamina, and that much sought-after leaner muscle mass. An excellent choice, especially if you are just starting out or even if you already actively participate in a sport like tennis, baseball, or golf and want to incorporate some moves into your workout to complement that sport and mimic their particular motions. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is JBM Medicine Ball. We love the bright, colorful designs of these high-quality rubber medicine balls from JMB. The clever color coding easily identifies the weight, so there's no second guessing. They are designed and constructed from a premium, eco-friendly, and highly durable rubber that can withstand repetitive slamming and handling. The textured surface of this range of workout balls not only means they are comfortable to work out with, but also have a great grip as well as exceptional bounce. They were an obvious choice to make it onto our best medicine ball review. Starting at just 2 pounds for when you are just getting to grips with dynamic ball training, and going up to 15 pounds for when you are really ready to give that ball and your body a pounding. Medicine balls like these are great for helping to improve your strength, and by adding some weight to your plyometric or core exercises, you are really going to advance your progress and see faster and more impressive results. For great bounce and exceptional handling, these make a wise investment. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Aeromat Dual Grip Medicine Balls. The design of this product is unique on this list. It doesn't opt for a smooth, spherical shape. The idea is to improve ergometry, but the result is a bit ugly. The range on this ball is good from 6 to 30 pounds, but the costs are huge compared to others on this list. We're not sure what they're making these balls out of, but they're definitely not justifying the costs. The handles and performance of these medicine balls is good. There are no real concerns for stability, and the ergometric design seems to be great for grip. However, the cost and limited production of these medicine balls are a real concern. While the quality may be slightly better than Go Plus, we don't think it's over 200% better. Finding the right product is important, and, if money is no object, this might be for you. However, we're inclined to save our cash, and this product's price tag is very off-putting. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.